What if I told you that $100 a month, the price of a few takeouts, could turn into over $500,000? No lottery, no crypto gamble, no get-rich-quick scheme. Just $100 every month for 40 years. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what happens to your money and why most people never start, and why that's the biggest financial mistake of their life. Stay with me, because the math at the end is going to shock you. Welcome back to Blake Invests, where I break down money in a way that actually makes sense. If you're new here, I'm Blake, and this channel is for everyday people who want to build real wealth. No jargon, no fluff. Make sure you subscribe. I drop a new video every single day. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. If you invest $100 every month for 40 years, that's $48,000 out of your own pocket total. $48,000. That's it. But here's where it gets crazy. The stock market, specifically the S&P 500, has averaged about 10% returns per year historically. So with compound interest working for you, that $48,000 doesn't just grow to $60,000 or $80,000. It grows to approximately $637,000. That's not a typo. $637,000 from $100 a month. This is the power of compound interest, and Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he said it or not, the math speaks for itself. Now here's the part that most people don't talk about. Let me introduce you to two people, Sarah and Jake. Sarah starts investing $100 per month at age 25. She does it for 40 years until she's 65. Jake waits. He thinks, I'll start when I have more money. He starts at 35. Same $100 per month. Same 10% return, but only 30 years. Let's see what happens. Sarah's result at 65, approximately $637,000. Jake's result at 65, approximately $227,000. Jake invested for 10 fewer years, but he ended up with $410,000 less. 1 decade of waiting cost him $410,000. That's why I always say, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Okay, so you're convinced. $100 a month. Let's go. But where do you actually put this money? Here are the 3 beginner-friendly options. 1. Index funds, my top pick. These track the entire stock market, like the S&P 500. You're not betting on one company. You own a piece of 500 companies. Low fees, consistent growth, perfect for beginners. Examples: VOO, SPY, FXAIX2, Roth IRA. This is a retirement account in the US. The best part? Your money grows tax-free. You invest after-tax dollars now and pay 0 taxes when you withdraw at retirement. If you qualify, this is one of the smartest moves you can make. 3. 401k, especially if your employer matches. Free money. If your employer matches your contributions, that's an instant 50% or 100% return. Always take the full match before investing anywhere else. The point is, you don't need to be a stock picker. You don't need to watch charts all day. Just invest consistently in boring index funds and let time do the work. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Blake, what about inflation? $637,000 in 40 years won't be worth the same as today. That's a fair point, and you're right. With average inflation of around 3% per year, the purchasing power of that $637,000 in today's dollars would be closer to $195,000 to $220,000. Still over 4 times what you put in. Still life-changing money. But here's the key. The people who don't invest, their money sitting in a savings account earning 0.5% interest is losing value every single year. Investing isn't about being greedy. It's about not falling behind. I know some of you are watching this thinking, Blake, I don't have an extra $100 a month. I hear you, but let's look at this honestly. $100 a month is $25 a week, $3.33 a day, less than 1 Starbucks coffee a day. Could you cut 1 subscription you don't use? Could you cook at home twice a week instead of ordering out? Could you cancel that gym membership you haven't used since January? I'm not saying it's easy. I'm saying it's possible. And once you see your investment account growing, even slowly at first, something clicks. You stop seeing $100 as money you're losing. You start seeing it as money you're building. So let me recap what we learned today. $100 per month for 40 years equals approximately $637,000 at 10% average return. Starting early is more important than investing more. Index funds and Roth IRAs are your best friends. Inflation matters, but not investing is worse. $100 per month is more achievable than you think. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment telling me your age and when you plan to start investing, and subscribe so you never miss a video. I post every single day because I genuinely want you to build wealth. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's get it.